Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn about the Docker volumes. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So in the Docker volumes, what we are going to learn in the coming next three videos. So basically first we learn what is Docker volumes, why we used, okay, then we are going to set up a node.js project with the volume. After that we are going to set up the php myadmin. After that we are going to import the database to the docker.compose YAML file with the help of the Docker volumes. Okay, so whenever we have a data, that always persist on it. So these are the tutorials of the next one that we are going to learn. So first, let's go with the Docker volumes. In Docker, volume is a way to persist or share data between the containers. Like suppose whenever you are trying to create a container, right? And there you want to persist the data or share the data, whatever the changes you are doing. Let's take an example. You have a node.js application running into your system, okay, and you want whatever the changes I want to do in my node.js project, it should be automatically reflected to that browser or into that container. So how we are going to do that? That is possible with the help of the Docker volumes. It provides a means for storing and managing the data outside the container's file system, allowing data to persist even if the container is stopped, removed. Volumes are the key features for managing data in a Dockerized application. So whenever you want, the data should be reflected on the spot, whatever you are doing or whatever you are working on it. That means you have to use the Docker volumes. Once, whether the container is stopped, whether the system is restart, always data persists into your Docker volumes. That is the most important feature of the Docker, right? So let's go to the some key points about the Docker volumes. That is data persistency. That is the first and the important point. That is volumes allow data to persist across the container restarts, updates, or removals. This is crucial for the application where data needs to be preserved independently of the container's lifecycle. Sharing data between the containers, volumes provide a way for the multiple containers to share data. This is useful in the scenarios where you have a separate containers for different components of an application and they need to be exchanged or share data. Separation of concerns. By using volumes, you can separate the concerns of data storage, the application's code. This separation makes it easier to manage and update containers without affecting the data they use. So then we have the types of volumes that we are going to learn in the next video. So what is Docker? So we have to just look into that. The main purpose of the volume is to persist the data or share the data between the containers. That is the main important concept, because when we have a node.js project, I am doing some of the changes that is not reflecting, then again I need to create a build or run a build. So this is not done, right? So in that case, we are going to use the Docker volume so that whatever the changes I'm going to do in my file system, it will be automatically reflected so that I can do my development much far better on it, right? Rather than every time I need to create a build or something like this. Okay, so that's the role of the Docker volume. So in the next series, we are going to learn about the types of the volume, then how to create a volume, then how to mount the volumes with your file system. All things we are going to learn in the coming series. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand what Docker volume means. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.